welcome back to Crochet Whisperer. Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet this beautiful poncho. I use 3 different color yarn, but you can use whatever you want, and we will start from here. First, you should slip knot like this. And then chain 100 times like this. Yarn over and pull through it. Repeat this 100 times. Now just slip a stitch in the first chain. Insert your hook into first chain and grab the yarn and pull through 2. And chain 3 times. It counts as a first double crochet. Now work 2 more double crochet in the same stitch. For double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into chain and grab the yarn. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through 2 again. Repeat this 1 more time. Now just chain 3. And now just work another double crochet cluster in the same stitch. Now just chain 1 and it's a corner. Now just count 3 and skip them. In next one, work a normal double crochet cluster. And a double crochet cluster means just 3 double crochet in the same chain and then just chain 1. And just repeat this until you have 5 normal double crochet cluster. And after work 5 normal double crochet cluster, we need a corner. And for corner, we should have worked a double crochet cluster and chain 3 and work another double crochet cluster in the same chain. Now you should have got something look like this, and keep doing this until you have 4 corners, and work in 5 normal double crochet cluster and 4 corner double crochet cluster, chain 3 double crochet cluster in the same stitch. And when you reach the end, just slip a stitch in the first stitch. For changing the yarn, first slip knot like this, then insert your hook in the chain space and grab the yarn and chain 1. And now just chain 3, and it counts as the first double crochet, and work 2 more double crochet in the same chain space, and then chain 3 and work another double crochet cluster in the same chain space, and then chain 1. Now just work another normal double crochet cluster in next chain space and then chain 1. Keep doing this like X round. When you reach the corner, repeat that pattern for the corner again. As you can see, it will increase and you can repeat this until the size that you want it. And for this part, insert your yarn in the chain space. And cut the yarn, then tie your yarn, and then do this. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.